Starting with Bitcoin as usual. What was the 3 has extended slightly here. I was counting it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's quite a valid count, but with this extension, I think the 3 has actually gone up to here now. And we've got a 1, 2. The 3 I think probably goes to there, so it's now a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, the various niggles can be counted various ways. It's quite easy to have an alternative count which proves to be incorrect, which this one was, I think, now. So the 3 is now up here, so a little bit higher. The 4 is still to come in. I mean, it may have started. It looks likely it has started, but it might extend again, I guess. You see the 4th wave support is here of wave 3. May want to go a bit below there, but still looking pretty good on Bitcoin in the shorter term. So another wave up could last, certainly a week or so, I'd think. And this hasn't been, the 3rd wave hasn't been confirmed yet. So looking good on Bitcoin, as has been the case for a while now. Ethereum similar. We've got 5 waves coming in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A bit messy, that one. ABC 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but no confirmation of a peak at this point. I think probably the 3rd wave peak is close, unless it's extending. It was a 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the 3rd wave. It could go a lot higher, but I think we're going to see new highs on Ethereum above this peak here back in January. So again, looking positive on Ethereum. Well, gold continues to not share in the crypto's good fortune, as it were, with an A, a B maybe, with the C sort of coming. It could be a triangle, I suppose. It could be an A, B, maybe a C, D, E. So it could almost be over almost. Sorry, A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, I guess that count does actually work. No real. I'll put that count in just to show it for the next time, as it were. Right, the triangle is useful because of the breakout. If we see a breakout up above here, that would be a buy signal. Similarly, a breakout below there would be a sell signal. I would think a buy signal more likely, given the fact that this doesn't look like a 5. It could be a very small 2 there, I suppose. i.e. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC, 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 ABC. So that would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I guess if we were to bounce off here, I go up to there, and then start falling back again, then a break below here might be on the cards. But I think probably we're going to rally to there at least first, and a breakthrough here would be positive for gold. Silver's a bit messy here. We had the 5 waves up there that was nice and clear, nice and direct move. Since then it's gone an ABC to here, then an ABC to there, which does count as an A and a B, and another ABC down to here. Now, it's possible we've seen an irregular correction. This is the start of something more positive, but I would say that's not necessarily a very strong support level. So we need to see a thrust up to confirm that, really. And if we see a break below there, then it could be that we're going to see another leg down, so an A B maybe, and then perhaps a C before we see a rally in silver. So a bit suspect right now. FTSE, we saw the all-time peak up here. A great big A wave down. ABC, so an A, B, C to big B as I'm calling it. And this could be a C wave coming in, so maybe a 1, 2, 3rd wave down. Clearly any move above here would sort of change that count, but we're not seeing that. In fact, also we've got the resistance here as well, the same sort of level, so that's a pretty key level for the resistance on FTSE at the moment. Meanwhile, the DAX continues to see new all-time highs. 1, 2, 3, 4. How to count this? Maybe a possible 1, 2, I suppose. 3, 4, 5. So a peak could be very imminent on the DAX. It all depends what we see after that. I mean, an impulsive move down would be a signal that maybe you have seen a major peak there. Correction obviously would be a signal that we've just seen a correction where we can go higher. But I would think it's not unlikely we're going to see an impulsive decline once this peaks out the way. But we'll wait and see how it turns out. All right, the Dow is similar with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, no real confirmation this peak is actually in at this point, but that is an all-time high. And the 5 waves up suggests a pullback is due. And again, if that's impulsive, then once it starts, it would signal that maybe we're seeing a major peak on the Dow. And the NASDAQ is very similar with this 5 waves up. It looks like a 1, 2, 1, 2. This could be 3 or 3 in fact, so there may be a fair bit more to go here. Difficult to count it any other way. So the peak could be further up on the NASDAQ, looking a bit more, might have legs to go a bit further. That's all for today. If that is useful, back to the report on Thursday. Have a great day, thanks for listening, and bye for now.